Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to display variation swatches directly on your WooCommerce shop pages using the Smart Swatches plugin. By default, WooCommerce doesn't display product variations directly on the shop pages, but with Smart Swatches, you can show variations on your shop pages, making it easier for customers to explore and choose product variations without visiting every product page. So let's get started. First, install and activate the Smart Swatches plugin on your WordPress website. Once the plugin is activated, go to Smart Swatches from your WordPress dashboard. Next, open the Archive Shop Settings tab. Here, you'll find the option to display variation swatches on your WooCommerce shop and archive pages. Enable this option to start displaying your product variations directly on your shop page. Once enabled, you'll see several options that allow you to configure and customize how your variation swatches appear. First, you can change the swatch position to where you like it. Then, set a limit for the attributes to display. Next, you can customize the attribute image size and adjust the attribute box size to match your shop layout. You can also choose whether to show or hide the variation label on the shop page. Another useful option is Shop Catalog mode. You can enable the Shop Catalog mode on your shop page and choose which attribute to display. After configuring the options, remember to save your changes. And that's it! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other tutorials for more useful tips.